Are you looking for the best headless mode drones? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best headless mode drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. RELIDOL PK01 Foldable Camera Drone. The RELIDOL PK01 drone makes flying fun and easy, especially for beginners. It features a remote with a built-in screen, so you can see live HD video and flight info without needing your phone. The drone's 1080p adjustable camera helps you capture stunning aerial photos and videos, perfect for selfies or inspecting hard-to-reach places. You'll enjoy smooth flying powered by brushless motors, plus handy controls like one-key takeoff and landing, headless mode, and cool 360 degrees flips. With 2 batteries included, you get up to 25 minutes of flight time, while safety features like propeller guards and emergency stop keep your experience worry-free. What we like: built-in screen controller, beginner-friendly controls, good camera quality, extra batteries included, stable flight performance. Number 2. X-Shop Foldable 1080p Camera Drone. The X-Shop Beginner Drone is perfect for those new to flying drones. It features a 1080p HD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable angle, allowing you to capture clear photos and videos from the sky and share them instantly via real-time FPV on your phone. Designed with beginners in mind, it offers easy controls like one-key takeoff and landing, altitude hold, and 3 speed settings to match your skill level. You also get 2 rechargeable batteries for longer flying sessions. Plus, its lightweight, foldable design means you can take it anywhere without needing FAA registration, making it a convenient and fun gadget for kids and beginners alike. What we like: easy to fly, foldable compact design, beginner-friendly controls, 1080p HD camera, includes 2 batteries. Number 3. Pallton 1080p HD Foldable Mini Drone. The Pallton Mini HD drone lets you capture sharp 1080p photos and live videos with its adjustable camera, perfect for family fun or travel memories. Its simple controls, including one-key takeoff and landing, altitude hold, and trajectory flight, make it easy for beginners to fly without stress. You can enjoy stable hovering indoors or outdoors, which helps you focus on learning and having fun. Plus, with 2 batteries included, you get up to 24 minutes of flight time, so you can explore longer and carry it easily in the portable case wherever your adventures take you. What we like: 1080p HD camera, easy one-key controls, stable hover feature, 2 batteries for longer flight, portable carrying case. Number 4. Hiturbo Beginner Drone with 1080p Camera. The Hiturbo 1080p Beginner Drone is designed to help you capture clear aerial photos and videos with its 1080p HD camera, making it perfect if you're new to drones. Its altitude hold feature keeps the drone steady at the height you choose, so your shots stay smooth and stable. With one-key start and headless mode, taking off, landing, and controlling the drone becomes simple, even if it's your first time. You can also switch between 3 speed modes to match your skills and use gesture selfies to take creative pictures without hassle. This drone offers fun and easy flying for beginners. What we like: beginner-friendly controls, durable lightweight design, gesture photo and video features, foldable, portable with carrying case, includes 2 batteries. Number 5. AVIALOGIC Mini Drone with 1080p Camera. The AVIALOGIC Mini Camera Drone is a perfect choice for kids and beginners who want to explore aerial photography and fun flying. It features a 1080p HD camera that you can adjust to capture great photos and videos from the sky, plus it streams live video directly to your phone so you can share your adventures easily. Flying is simple with a one-key start and landing function, and you can choose from 3 speeds to match your skill level. The drone also holds its altitude steadily, helping you take clear pictures without worrying about controlling its height. Plus, its safe design and extra batteries let you enjoy longer and worry-free flights. What we like: easy setup and controls, 1080p HD camera, Includes 2 batteries. Durable build quality. Propeller guardrails.